This is the Haines Creek, and we're going to be entering Lady Dufferin Lake pretty soon. And we're going to go down into Smoothwater Lake. Happy anniversary eve, darling.
Anniversary.
Cheers. Gotta put on your sunscreen. Look at where we are. This is beautiful. Bench and a fire pit on the beach. Stone, so it's not full of not sand and everything. Let's take it.
Oh, look at this fire. And our tent goes right here.
Cool. So that is Smoothwater Lake out there. It's beautiful. Really nice paddle.
Yeah.
Nice paddle.
Easy paddle.
Yeah, we took our time.
So we have 2 air mattresses here and then a piece of foam. And then I kind of keep them together with a fitted sheet. And then just a light sheet over top. And then we've got a wool blanket just if we get cold. And yeah, that's it. Just started raining. We should put our cover on.
Quite the journey today. We woke up in Quebec. Did we wake up in a hotel? Where did we sleep last night? We made a quick detour in Quebec to pick up our new canoe. And yeah, we were trying to find a place last night to sleep. And we were trying to get to this little lake we saw on the map, and I think it was an ATV trail.
Way too dark. And it started raining. Sure you want to go down here?
I don't know. Otherwise. We made it.
We out?
Out of the danger zone, at least. Kaylin's like, I wish we could just go stay in a hotel.
Yeah, all I wanted was a soft, cozy, warm hotel bed.
So I hypnotized her and pretended like we were in a hotel. Maybe it wasn't a dream, I don't know. But
Anyways, we're here now.
We're here now. Good morning. Just did a little paddle around, did some trolling, some casting. Not a single bite, no sign of fish, but it's a beautiful morning. I see Kaylin starting to wake up. Our campsite's just over there. Let's go see what she wants to do today. Let's plan today's adventure. So we are there on that little peninsula campsite. I went up here this morning, and that little creek is all running water over rocks. There's no way to canoe that. But I think we could do the portage and then go into this Merino Lake. And then if we really want to get aggressive, we can do this whole portage up to Sunnywater. This is apparently what they call a Windex lake. So it's acid rain lake, so it's a very bright blue water. And it's the highest lake in the Temagami region.
There's a leech. There's tons of leeches here. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, the portage trail's over there.
Oh, is that?
Really nice, open.
Oh, really? Oh, I think I see it right here.
No, it's further down.
Ah! Oh yeah. Looks like a trail.
So don't make the same mistake that we did. Yeah. The dam is there, and then there's a beautiful clear portage trail right here.
We thought we were trekking into some serious remote wilderness, pushing bush. Beautiful home for an endangered species. This is where the Aurora Trout live, and couldn't be more picturesque. So it is illegal to even have a fishing rod unsheathed in this lake. Absolutely no fishing. But it's absolutely beautiful.
You know you're in Temagami when the portage looks like this. Straight up. Almost there. This one's over 1,000 meters. Almost a mile. Isn't that bad?
And this is supposed to be called a Windex lake. It's supposed to be an acidic rain lake, the highest lake in all of Temagami. I was kind of expecting it to be.
One.
Yeah, this
We're
one.
not there yet. We gotta do another portage.
Oh, you're right. Oh, good. I'm relieved because I was slightly disappointed.
It's not clear yet.
Okay, good.
So the water is definitely getting bluer. Really.
I'm putting this down. I was ready to keep going. This is the highest lake in Temagami. Sunny water. Look how blue that water is. It was worth the hike.
So clear. Woo! Refreshing?
Oh, that is good. So in the last video, Caitlin got a few comments about what camera she uses and what microphone she uses. This is her secret weapon.
I forgot this in my last video.
This is the iPhone 7, the camera of all cameras.
No, I forgot my tripod last time.
Setting up a shot so that we can show us swimming out here. It's a beautiful lake. It's definitely refreshing.
You stand?
Nope.
It's deep?
Yep.
Is that deep?
It's pretty deep.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you can see!
Yeah, you think you can touch it, but no, it's down. It's deep. It's like 20 feet
Wow,
here.
it's really clear.
Really clear.
Making some noise while I walk through bear country. What are you eating? This little guy.
I put my life jacket on upside down, and then I use the pad on the back on my shoulders, and it makes for a real nice, comfortable carry. Able to do it with one hand, support all the weight on my shoulders.
We made it back into the fish sanctuary. I have blood all over my wedding ring on our wedding anniversary. How fitting.
Yeah, well, I made it 2 years without blood. I just saw a fish jump. I think it was an Aurora Trout.
The beginning of this portage is extremely muddy. That's because you are literally portaging over a creek.
Uh-oh, getting muddy here.
We made it home and now it's moccasin time.
All right, we got chana masala for her, jambalaya with shrimp for him. We'll switch halfway.
So good.
All right, you ready for a coffee, darling?
Yeah.
We use oat milk for our coffee because you don't need to refrigerate it, and it's delicious.
So we're gonna go that way today.
Sounds very good.
Yeah. All packed up.
So it's pretty windy today, so we started to trek out. We were going to make a bit of a move for this far shore and then cut across, but at this point the waves are a little too big to be safe to cross this lake, so we're just going to tuck along the shoreline and take it easy until things calm down.
So we're now out of the wind. We made it to the south end of Smoothwater Lake. It's beautiful.
collapsible fishing rod. Got on Amazon, and I really like it. It fits up in that little case. The handle flips out, the whole rod telescopes out, and it's been able to pull up some good sized fish. Have a quick drink here and then start making dinner. Call it an early night. Get up really early and head out early in the morning for wildlife. Yeah. Create a wind block here. It's very windy, and this campsite doesn't seem to have a fire pit on the campsite, so make a little campfire here on the beach. There we go. Create a little wind flow. Still put some stuff on here, the pots to keep warm. Yeah. Feel solid. All right. Like it. Yeah, looks good. Okay, let's fill it up. That looks great.
So good.
Okay, it's our last day and we're packing up at 6:30 here. Gonna hit the water early and see if we can find some wildlife. Is that worth waking up early for? Awesome. That is just awesome. You don't see as many moose as you might think out here in Canada. They're the icon of the country, but they're hard to see. They're hard to find, so this is a real special treat. It's a beautiful morning on Lady Dufferin.
Mommy.
Yeah, we were way on that side of the lake.
And then I looked in here, and then I noticed it moving.
That's incredible. Just thinking about how many moose we might pass just because we're making too much noise. When we rolled up to these moose, he totally sensed us, or she sensed us, but they were calm and still until they heard the camera shutter, just that little bit of shutter sound, and then they started running off. So they're pretty sensitive.